going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. A little project today. Remember on the front of my shop here, a little ledge above the window, and on that ledge I put a little toy tractor, kind of red. It's a red tractor, so it was supposed to be like a Massey Ferguson facsimile. Anyways, I took that down to put the Nativity Scene up there for Christmas. So while I have the tractor down here in the shop, I need to do a few little repairs to it. And one of the things I want to do is paint it. So let's go paint the tractor. This is exciting. Okay, so there's the little tractor I have, and she's kind of faded. I got the hood off it because I'm going to paint that. I had to do some repairs on the little bucket that I made for it because the plastic was getting UV damage and cracking and breaking. But I'm going to paint the hood red, and I painted the hubcaps red here, and I think everything else should be all right. The black is, well, I was going to paint the black, but I don't think it needs bother getting that painted. Okay, so mixing up my red paint. It's cold in the shop, so the spray paint doesn't work nearly as good as if it was warmer, but it's not warmer, so that's it. So this is the hood. You see it's quite faded. It looks like there's a grill on here, but there's not. That's just the way it fades. This is the side that never gets in the sun. This is the side that gets in the sun all the time, so quite a little difference, eh? So I just cleaned it up with a little bit of solvent. Didn't want to use anything too aggressive because I wasn't sure what this plastic was made of. But anyhow, we're going to try and paint it now and see how it turns out. Looks better already, eh? Need much on that side. I don't want to put it on too thick. I think we'll just leave it like that. Let that dry. See if it needs another coat. Alright, there's the hood off my little tractor. Didn't turn out too bad, eh? Looks nice and red. Almost as red as a Massey Ferguson. So the first thing we do is have this little grill piece that we put back in here. Kind of makes it look nice, eh? So now we just put on the tractor, and the way this goes on, it just hooks in here, and then there's a screw back here that holds it in place. With a couple little tabs that need to get pushed in there too, by the way. There we go. There. That doesn't look too bad. This is the side of the tractor that is on the outboard side, so that kind of looks washed out there, doesn't it? Oh, I didn't get that hood on right. Look at that. Didn't go back together as easy as I thought it was going to. There we go. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Now we'll put this in. There. That looks better, eh? So yeah, this part is kind of washed out now, so I don't know whether I should paint that or not. I have to do a lot of tape work. It sure would look better if I painted it that way, so let's paint it. And we're going to leave this. In fact, you know, if you look at the Massey Ferguson, you look at my tractor, it's not red and black, it's red and dark gray. So this is kind of working out good to be like more Massey Ferguson color. So, so yeah, I'm going to take some time and I'll put some masking tape on this, tape it all up, then I'll paint that red part. Merry Christmas, everybody, from Janet and I here at Grampie's Workshop. We sure hope you have a really nice Christmas and a great New Year, and that I hope everything is going your way.
All the best from both of us.
Thanks a lot. So I'm not sure how well you can see this, but I put a garbage bag on top of my saw, and then I put the little tractor on top of the saw. It's easier to get at. So now I'm just going to start masking this up. And I'm not an expert at putting masking tape on. What I tend to do is put it on in pieces. I find it easier to control that way. So we're going to continue like that, see how we make out. All right, I got it kind of masked off here with some paper and some masking tape. And I hope Stevo J's not watching, because man, oh man, he does a lot better work than me. He's a professional body man, and I'm just a, a backyard toy tractor painter. Anyway, I started to paint the back here, and then I remembered I didn't tape up these brake lights, so I had to stop midstream there and tape them up. So we're going to continue to try to paint this red part. It's going to look great, eh? Well, it's going to look red anyways. And then it's going to be up on the shelf so no one can really get a good look at it. There, I think that ought to do it. Always seems like there's a lot of work to get ready, and then the actual paint job takes like 30 seconds. Anyway, we'll see how that turns out. Well, it's the next day now because I had to let the paint dry overnight, and looks like the paint's all dry. Time to peel her off. Take off my great masking job. I don't do much body work, that's for sure. And as far as masking things and whatnot, I do that a little bit, like when I'm painting, I'll mask around, say, door trim or something like that. But I find it takes twice as long to do the masking and then to take the masking off as it does to actually do the painting. But anyway, it pays off because it kind of minimizes the overspray, right? So anyway, I'll just finish taking this off. We'll see what we have. I bought new masking tape the other day, and you know what? There's lots and lots of different kinds of masking tape you can get, but I'll tell you the stuff you shouldn't get. You shouldn't get the cheapest tape on the shelf. Because that's what this is, and it's coming off. It won't peel right. When you try and even take it off the roll, it splits in half. It's just terrible. So for the sake of a couple extra bucks, I think it'd be worth it to get the more expensive tape. Well, there. Doesn't look too bad, eh? I put the hood on the other day. Remember I was putting that on and I put it on wrong? Took it off, put it on again. Well, it was on wrong again for the third time. But I think I got it right now. Put the seat back on. There we go. The access that through the bottom trap door here. A couple of knobs. Close the trap door. And there. I think it's ready again. It looks nice, a little bit redder, eh? More red, however you say that. Massey Ferguson red. You gotta like it. Well, it's nice to get the little tractor painted up. It looks kind of nice, eh? With the bright red on it again. Looks like a Massey Ferguson. That's good. And then after Christmas, you know, when things settle down and I get a nice mild day, I'll be able to take the Nativity Scene back down off that shelf and then put the little tractor back up there. It will be good now for another year. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video about, tidying up the little tractor for an ornament on the shop. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Sure hoping you're having a great week, and we'll talk to you.